Hey guys, and welcome to Nigrit. In today's video, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So I'm really excited about this. In my last tutorial, we wound up doing a Bernie Sanders amigurumi. It is super popular. You guys are downloading the PDF like crazy. I get notifications every time somebody redeems the coupon, so I love seeing that. It just, I don't know, a little bit of a dopamine rush ends up going right through. So thank you all for that. But basically, I decided that since I made 3 of these guys, I was going to do a giveaway for at least one of them. First one, I gave away to a friend. The second one, I am selling on Etsy, and the proceeds from that are going to go to Meals on Wheels, the same as the PDF. If anybody decided to purchase that instead of redeeming the coupon code for it, all proceeds will be going towards Meals on Wheels in Maine. I'm really excited about that too. I figured it's what Bernie would probably want. So the third one, however, I'm doing a giveaway for it. For this lovely Bernie doll. I'm really excited with how he turned out. He's super cute, he is posable, and I really like how all of this turned out. So let me know what you guys think and whether or not you want to have a Bernie giveaway, basically. I don't know. Basically, the rules for the giveaway are going to be, hey, comment down below. You don't have to be subscribed. You don't have to follow me on Instagram or TikTok. Sure, it helps, and I'd say, hey, I'd say, yeah, do that, but you don't have to do any of those things. You might want to, just because I do tend to do giveaways and you might want to be in the know, but again, you don't have to. So comment down below what your favorite Inauguration Day meme was, whether or not what's your favorite version of the Bernie Sanders meme, or just generally your favorite meme. Try to describe it in the worst way possible, which I think would be hilarious and really fun to see down below. Don't spam comment. There's always somebody who decides that they want to try to comment 20 times. I literally am using an app that will only weed out your name once. So you're free to comment more than once if you want to respond to somebody who says something, but don't spam comment thinking that it's going to get you more entries into the giveaway, basically. So 1 comment equals 1 entry. 5 comments equals 1 entry. I'm sorry. I want to make it fair for everybody, make it so that everybody gets a chance to do this. I announced my last giveaway winner in the community tab, which again, not everybody can see, but the person who wins is going to know that they won. So please make sure to put in a way for me to contact you, like your Instagram handle or anything like that. Instagram handle is honestly the best way for me to get to you. So, or your email, but I don't like it when people put their emails down in the comments because I feel like that's just inviting people to spam you. So if you feel like you have to, then you have to. But again, just be wary. I don't want people to get scammed because I'm doing a giveaway, basically. I don't want people to get screwed over. So comment down below what your favorite meme is, general inauguration meme, or just generally your favorite Bernie meme. I think it'd be a lot of fun. He bends, he crosses his legs. I'm still thinking about redoing the mask, but I still think it's pretty cute. So let me know what you guys think down below. Stay tuned for next week because we're going to be doing a nice lovely tutorial that is Valentine's Day themed, and we're going to be doing a little heart. I think it's so cute how this one turned out. I am also again using my staggering method instead of the stacking method, which I really like for these, and I think it came out with a really nice heart. I'm also thinking about doing a red velvet version of this heart and maybe making a bigger one that's like a pillow size version. So let me know. Again, you can comment down below if you want to talk about the hearts too. Let me know what you guys think. But for now, just go ahead and go down in the comments down below and enter to win yourself a nice little Bernie. And the giveaway will be ending in 1 week from today. So at the very end of next Sunday, I will be putting all the names through a machine app thing, basically, and I'll be drawing the person. I will contact them and I'll put it in the community tab so that you guys can all know. Also, I just want to give a shout out to my Discord links. They're so much fun over there. If you want to go and join us on the Discord server that we have, we talk about yarn, we talk about knitting, crochet, everything. It's a lot of fun, and I have a bunch of like channels on there. And I want to give a shout out to Golden and to Bryn because they actually run the entire thing over there. They actually make so that I don't even have to think about it, which is good because I'm not good at Discord or technology really. So they run everything. They made it so that it's super organized recently and it's amazing. So wanted to give a shout out to them and let them, you know, have a little bit of a moment. And if you want to be on Discord, we have it all over there. We have almost 100 members over there now, which is actually really exciting. All right, that's pretty much it. Comment down below and good luck on your entry. All right, until next time, guys. Bye.